Welcome to Makers Unveiled. Today we're diving into the world of nail clippers, where we'll explore the fascinating evolution of this everyday tool, from its ancient origins to the modern design we use today. The concept of grooming and maintaining nails dates to ancient times. Early humans used sharp stones and shells to trim their nails. These rudimentary tools were far from what we recognize as nail clippers today, but they served the essential purpose of keeping nails at a manageable length. By the time of the Roman Empire, grooming tools had become more sophisticated. The Romans are known to have used small knives and scissors made from bronze and iron to trim their nails. These tools were a significant improvement over stones and shells, offering greater precision and control. The first recognizably modern nail clippers emerged in the late 19th century. In 1875, Valentine Fogarty patented a nail trimmer, a device designed specifically for trimming nails. In 1881, Eugene Heim and Celestin Matz created a more refined and user-friendly nail clipper design. Their version incorporated a lever mechanism, which is still in use today. This design provided better leverage and ease of use, making nail clipping more efficient. The nail clipper continued to evolve throughout the 20th century. Innovations included ergonomic designs, stainless steel materials, and various sizes to cater to different needs. Today's nail clippers are a far cry from their ancient counterparts. In recent years, the market for nail clippers has expanded to include specialized versions for specific uses. These include clippers for pets, infants, and even heavy-duty clippers for thick or tough nails. The evolution of nail clippers continues as manufacturers strive to meet diverse consumer needs. The journey begins with the pressing process. High-quality stainless steel sheets are fed into a powerful press machine. Under immense pressure, the machine stamps out the basic shape of the nail clipper components. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation for all subsequent processes. Precision is key here, ensuring each piece is uniform and consistent. Next, we move to the welding process. Here, the individual parts, including the lever and the base, are meticulously welded together. This welding must be incredibly precise to ensure the clippers are strong and durable. Automated welding machines often perform this task to maintain consistency and efficiency. With the main components welded, the next step is edge smoothing. The freshly cut and welded edges are often rough and sharp. Specialized grinding machines smooth these edges to prevent any potential injury and to provide a comfortable grip. Blade widening is a critical process that ensures the cutting edges are properly spaced. This involves precise adjustment of the blade gap to allow for effective and clean cutting of nails. The blades are carefully bent and widened using specialized tools to achieve the perfect alignment. Now it's time for assembly. All the prepared components are brought together in a meticulous assembly line. The lever, base, and cutting blades are assembled with precision, ensuring each part fits perfectly. Once assembled, the grinding process begins. This involves sharpening the cutting edges to ensure they can cut through nails smoothly and cleanly. Quality is paramount, and inspection is a critical step in the manufacturing process. Each nail clipper is thoroughly inspected for defects and imperfections. This includes checking the alignment of the blades, the smoothness of the edges, and the overall functionality. Only the clippers that meet strict quality standards move forward. The final step is riveting. This secures the lever to the base, completing the nail clipper. Riveting ensures that the parts are firmly connected while allowing for the lever to move smoothly. And there you have it, the intricate process of creating nail clippers from start to finish. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at nail clipper manufacturing. Thank you for watching.